About this author, H. What is classed as a personal injury? Broadly speaking, there are two types of personal injuries. A personal injury can be a physical injury, illness, disease, a psychological illness or injury. The physical injury can be a result of a traffic accident, injury at work, injury caused by using faulty goods or services, or an injury caused by tripping and falling. Psychological injury causes stress or discrimination at work or as a victim of a crime. Physical and psychological injury can also result in receiving the wrong treatment in hospital or vaccinations. Personal injuries can cause permanent disabilities and death. In the UK, the claim for compensation for personal injury applies for 3 years of sustaining the injury. In case an 18-year-old receives a personal injury, he/she must file the claim before reaching the age of 21. The most common type of personal injury occurs due to traffic accidents. The police records any personal injury caused due to a traffic accident. In case of a personal accident occurring at the workplace, the employer must record the accident in a record log of the organization. If there is a personal injury due to use of a faulty appliance, the store from where the appliance must be informed. You must also inform your insurance company of any personal injury that you have sustained. You must also report a personal injury to your doctor. A personal injury, if not paid to, can lead to further complications later on. You must gather all the evidence that you sustained in an injury. Presenting complete evidence will help you in making the claim for compensation. Even if you do not file the claim for compensation, it's still advisable to keep the evidence with you. Psychological injury is also counted as physical injury. If you are harassed or stressed in your job, abused, or ridiculed by your peers or superiors, these can cause psychological injuries. Psychological injuries are also counted as personal injuries and are compensated for. Home accidents also count as physical injuries and you can claim compensation for them. Claim in case of a home accident will depend on the nature of the accident. In case the injury was caused by poor workmanship or using a faulty appliance, you can claim compensation. Personal injury does not necessarily have to be claimed by the victim. The relative of the victim can also file a claim on the victim's behalf. If a person suffers permanent disability or dies due to a personal injury, the spouse or children can claim compensation. In UK, personal injury claims are settled on no-win, no-fee basis. This means if you don't win a personal injury claim, you don't have to pay any legal charges. There are a number of lawyers in UK who deal in personal injury claims. In case of a personal injury, it's advisable to consult a personal injury claims lawyer. There are government and social organizations that offer free advice regarding personal injuries and how to file the claim for them. About this author, http://www.accidentspersonalinjurylawfirms.com/ Francisco Rodriguez is the online marketing manager for personal injury solicitors who represent clients wanting to pursue a personal injury claim on a no-win, no-fee basis.